Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a project share. I was live with Miss Millie, the Silent Crafter, on Monday, and we're doing this one-word collaboration, her and I. And Monday night was her one word that started with a D, and it was diamond. So I made these two diamond cards. And this one here is with marble, um, scrapbook paper in the background from Colorbach, and a free printable that I got from printables.com. And I didn't put a greeting in any of the cards yet. This one is not quite done. I'm going to try to see if I can fit this on here. So I might have to do a little bit of trimming. I'm not sure yet. And this one either doesn't have a greeting. So I just want to show y'all these two projects. And y'all can join us on her channel on Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then again on my channel on Friday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.